How to shop on Aliexpress app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Aliexpress app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. This is the home page. You can simply scroll through the products as you want. And if you want to search for a product, click on the search bar at the top and then search what you want. You'll find lists. Simply click on the product you want to buy. Then at the bottom, you can add to cart, or if you want to buy now, you can press on buy now. And if you click on buy now, you will need to add your country, region, contact information, also your address. After you have added your address, you will need custom clearance information as well. After you're done, scroll down and click on save. After you click on save, you will need to add payment method, which can be your card or any other available payments. Add your card number, everything, and press on done, and your order will be confirmed. And this is how to shop on Aliexpress app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.